Breakfast.
Ano for?
Breakfast.
Nagluluto na.
And my new task.
Is it new task?
Ano?
Breakfast. Morning.
Down!
Talk about Uncle. Yeah. Morning.
Brett,
Where's my good morning? Good morning, son.
good morning. Aray!
Yun eh.
Ano ba? Gupta. Si Brett, Devon, James, and... Because it's like an egg with B. Sabi
What are we
ni Kuya.
doing?
Basta later.
Banga.
Si andam na nga imong singing tawag.
Why?
Uh,
Morning. What the hell does this mean?
mamaya na.
What are we gonna do?
Mamaya na. Ano ba? Violet.
Kanang orange na.
Mamaya na. Ano ba, Brett?
Uy.
Kanang orange na.
Oh, I'm so excited.
I want to see.
15 minutes ha. Egg na lang, scrambled egg. Lahat. Or mga 6. Oh, yan. Meron silang pera.
Fish na lang 500 sila. Ani? Kanila 4. Wala na lang kanila. Pero paman na nagaling na. Okay ra. Kini. Inipis. Tapos.
Yung noodles.
Okay raga. Sorry ha, kasi 15
Yeah.
minutes lang.
Kasi parang 3 minutes lang.
Lahat to. Make things worse. Dapat dalawa. If I help you, okay. Blackpink's good.
Brett, like whenever she goes to our school, the teachers are like scared to talk to her. Really.
No. Ah! No.
Sweet pork.